Alrighty, I am back. I guess the last stream there was black. So I'm just let me see if it's video's been removed by uploader, of course. And I should be live now. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay, we're back in Roblox here. That's funny. All right. Okay, so we'll do that. Yeah, it's working now. We'll do that. Let's see. And then what do we need? We probably need an avatar. Oh, no, I don't have a avatar to import. There we go. Yeah, no, everything so far has been scaled for the trucks. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? Let's see. Let's start with a part. Get a block here, something like that. Scale it here. Let's see. We want to anchor this one. Can collide. Just put it in the ground like that. Maybe up just a little bit. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. And let's see. We'll duplicate this. All right. That's going to be the start of our storefront. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that was pretty cool. 17 minutes of black screen. Right. Just talking away, blah, 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 blah. All right. Let's see. So now what do we want to do? We want to get a door. Let's see here. We'll scale this. Make this thicker here. Bring this down a little bit. Probably, what's a good height for a door? Maybe there? Maybe make that a little bit thicker, a little bit taller. All right, so then what we want to do is we want to go to model and we want to click, where is it here? It's been negate. Negate. All right, that's what you want to do. You want to make it into a negative. And we may as well have a window along here. Something like that. And then Get a window on this side. Something like that. All right, then you go like this, 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 and you union that together. Bingo, bango, bongo. And then you take this and that, and you union that together. I guess. Oh, that's cool. Different clipping options. Intersect is a different clipping option. Okay, so all right, duplicate that. Scale this here. Let's come out maybe a little bit. Uh-oh. I suspect the battery in my keyboard is dying. Yeah, I think it's dying. Uh-oh. I'll have to go find the battery in my keyboard. All right, we just something like that. Can't collide false. Let's see. Let's duplicate that. We'll scale this here. Make some windows in it, maybe. All right, I'm gonna make this maybe bright blue, and we'll say maybe glass. And let's get a little bit of transparency in there so you can kind of see through it. That's kind of cool. We'll duplicate that. Scale that. That's gonna have to be a lot thinner. A lot thinner. Yeah, there we go. Kind of have like a window ledge. Cool. And then let's see. I want to move this. Let's get some parking for the people that work here. Do that. We'll make this black, and what was I using? Concrete, right? Right. Yeah, maybe that comes into there. Let's make sure that'll work. Cool. Now, do I want to... All right, cool. Certainly don't want that in the store, and then this will have to... We don't want that in the store either. Okay. Now let's insert object. Let's see. Let's get a surface light, and we want that to face the bottom. Cool. That'll work. So when you're in here, oh, that's nice and bright, actually. Let's see. What's what if we change the clock time down? Middle of the night. Yeah, nice, cool. I'll have to make some neon graphics. I made some neon in my other game there, so I'll have to make some neon. Okay, so there should be a store. Where? Right here, right across the street, actually. We're just going to register in it. Is that this whole thing? All right. It's actually pretty big for what it is. Okay, we can move that maybe to there. Alrighty, and then what do we need? We need an ATM. They're usually off. Why? I don't know. They're like stuffed in the back of the stores usually. ATMs. We'll rotate that. We'll put that on the other side. There we go. And then we need a delivery prompt. Oh, and a newspaper box. Forget about that. Let's see. Let's put this outside. newspaper box, maybe a trash bin. All right, now we need some shelves. I'm just working on my game, my Roblox game that I've been like procrastinating. I got some errands to do today. I got some things, some running around and some stuff to do. So it's Friday. My plan is to this evening do some more Stormworks. Work on some more Stormworks, but for now I'm doing this. So this, anyways, this right here is a it's like a little store for the where are we? It's a little store. The trash can is big. Holy moly! Yeah, it's just like a kiosk for the wash bay, right? This is the wash bay here for the trucks and cars, and so I want to have like a little kiosk here thingy, and then I'm gonna find like a towel. I'm gonna find some accessories, and that way you can wash your car, right? And then when you're done washing your car, you come over here and you can buy some accessories. Buy like a towel, maybe a squeegee or something. And then, yeah, that'd be cool. Maybe a little air freshener, something. Let's see, tight aisles, right? Tight aisles. This could probably come right into here. Cool. There we go, a little store. All right, now let's fill it up with some accessories. A little taxi. Get rid of that. We don't need that. Oh, let's see. So, what do we want here? What are we looking for? Let's see. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to open up a new. Whenever you're editing your worlds, open up a brand new version of Studio. Why? Because if you accidentally grab an object out of the workplace, out of the toolbox, and it's full of ridiculous scripts, which some of these are, it'll really mess your game up, and you don't want to do that. So it's the best thing you can do is start a fresh thingy. Let's see. Do we want a towel or some paper towel, maybe? Why not? Yeah. Okay. That's cool. All right, so we've got some paper towel. I wonder if they have the like the little trees, the little air fresh trees. Probably not, eh? Air fresh. I don't know what you would call that. Yeah, here they're we've got them as part of the gas station too, but we also have independent wash bays which have their own stores, which are just for the wash bay. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Some 5W30. It's even got the Mopar. Nice, that's cool. What else do we want to get? Some motor oil, maybe some windshield fluid. Let's see, somebody's got a bottle there. No, let's see, wiper fluid maybe. Oh man, what's this? Wonder bombs. Okay. Let's see what they got. How do you spell that? B-A-U-M-S. Oh, look at that. Sorry, let's look up flat tree, and then I can just scale it down, right? Oh, nice. Wow, look at how many models are inside this tree. Are you kidding me? Holy, I can't put that in my world. Holy moly. Wow. Oh man, go away. That's hilarious. Here, I just need the one. All right, 2, 3, 4, and then what do we want to do? Let's see. We'll scale it down. Let's get a builder rig. Let's get my avatar in here. All right. Should it be like, maybe it should be oversized? Oh, is it not recording this? Is it not recording this? Oh, hold on a second here. There we go. Should be recording it now. Yeah, I was tabbed out. I'm real sorry. On the other screen. Hold on, give it a minute here. It might come back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just a second. Let's capture any full screen application. I'll just say auto. Yeah, I had it set up so it only captures the full screen application, and I just started at a fresh version, and there it goes. I just updated it. I'm just watching the stream. There's a bit of a delay between me and the stream, so I've got it on my phone. I'm just checking out the. No, it's not gonna. It's not gonna. It wants to stay on that screen. All right, give me a technical difficulties here. Technical difficulties. Let's see. So if I move that down, and then this is full screen, and then I say settings, capture full screen application. All right. Scaling sucks on this. Let's do that. Scaling sucks. I'll have to figure out how to get this to work. The stream stuff. Is it working now? Is it showing me there now? Yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right, let's insert an object. It should have some kind of effect, right? Like a particle emitter. There, I'll put that inside the block. There we go. And then let's see. Lifetime should be like 1 and 2. And the speed, let's change that to 1. Cool. And then we want to change the color. Oh, do I have to add? I can't just change the color anymore? Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's try that. Ooh, there we go. And this could be called... Rename this to Pine. Oh, not Peace. Not it. All right, so I guess might have to make an animation for the motor oil. All right. So, what do I want to do? Insert object, tool. All right. Rename this. And then we have to weld it all together. All right, and now this anchored. All right. Oh, let me see how I did that. I can't believe I forget how to make it. A tool here. Holy moly. So that's what happens when the block just needs to be named capital handle. All right. Capital handle. That needs to go inside the tool. We rename the tool tree. And then one of these we need to rename as handle. And then these go inside the handle. All right. Now let's see if I can pick up the tree. I think you can change the opacity. Yeah. There we go. Oh, no, I'm holding it. Cool. It just wanted to be like, let's see, what do we have for transparency, maybe? And maybe not so strong of a color. Oh, this is the actual tree itself. Oops. No wonder nothing's happening. Better change transparency back. Particle emitter. There we go. Let's see here. We'll give it a little bit of transparency, maybe 0.3, 0.5, something like that. Yeah, 50% transparent. Okay. And then we'll see about. There we go. Now it'll emit on all as a circle. That's cool. Okay, so do I want it to do anything? I guess is the question here. Let's get the script in there. What do we want it to do? Let's see. Let's rename this. I guess I don't have to actually. Let's go local. Script.parent dot handle dot particle emitter. All right, and then we want to say. Article. I want to say particle. Let's say particle. Oh no! What we want to do is we need to connect to the. So we need to say script dot parent dot. Oh, what is that? Is it equipped? It's equipped and unequipped. Hold on a second here. Truck storage. Flashlight. There it is. Script.parent.activated. And that's in the. Okay, so let's get rid of this here. Get rid of that. Let's insert a local script. Maybe that's why that didn't work. Okay, and then what's the code I want? Script.parent.activated, and then we have equipped and unequipped, which is for the sound. So when it's activated is when you click your mouse on it. That's what we want. So when you click your mouse, oops. Oh, it already did it in for me. Say script.parent.handle.particle accelerator particle emitter dot enabled equals true, and then we will say what's the else. Else if. Oh, we're using if then. Script true, then it should be false. And that has to be is equals. How does that make sense? Oh, I'm saying if it's on on, then turn it off when you click the mouse. Otherwise, turn it on. Okay, that makes sense. So we need this here, then we need to go copy, then this, and that turn it false. And then I don't think this needs to be equals. It does need to be equals. Okay. Alright. There you have it. There you have it. Right? Big cartoon part. That's so funny. There we go. Now it should stop. Yeah, I clicked my mouse and it stopped. And I clicked my mouse again. Oh, I said false, false. And it should be, this should be true. All right, let's try that. Then I need to find like a sound, a cartoon sound for it. There we go. So it's emitting. Click the button. It's not emitting. Click the button. It's emitting. All right. That's how you activate a tool. Neat. Neat. Okay. So now we need sound, right? We need sound. So audio. Eesh. I wonder what we'd be looking at. Oh, that's cool. Here, I'm gonna pause this for a moment just while we're playing with the sounds. And then we'll do that. This is the sound. That's so cool. All right, and we'll say script dot parent dot sound, and then we'll say play, and then we'll oh yeah, this is what I like about Roblox. You know, people wonder why. Why do I play these childish games? This is why. I mean, come on, man. You can't go to the store and buy a, you can't go to the store and buy this kind of entertainment. This is so cool. You know what I mean? If air freshener doesn't make any sound, I would just kind of like, it's a game, right? So part of playing games is sounds. You want that visual, keep people entertained, keep them engaged somehow. I really like that. I'm having way too much fun. All right. That's what I need to be doing with the, like I made sounds for the toolbox. I don't have any sounds, I think, for the tires and stuff. We just have the transaction sounds, right? So that's what I was doing. I was trying to get the... Okay, so we have a tree. Now the motor oil. It's got the decals on it. And then, okay. So then this is the same thing here. We'll insert a tool. Insert object. No, I said tool. All right. Yeah, we'll rename this. No. Which one do we want to be the handle? All right, and then create a weld to there, and you create a weld to there, you create a weld to there. Now this, insert object. I wonder if we can do like water for that. Let's see. So this should be like that. All right, and instead of particles, I wonder if there's this needs to be cranked right down. Holy, just comes flying out of there. Rate 1. too, so it's kind of like golfing. Speed. It's too quiet now. It's too quiet. So the texture is the sparkles, but I don't know how to get rid of the. I guess I need a new texture, right? Oh, I don't want that in my copy asset ID. Maybe that's what I want to do. Here. Transparency, paste. All right. I don't think that's right. All right, so I'll have to figure out how to get a different. Let's start the music back up again. I'll have to figure out how to get a different texture on there. It's neat that it's emitting the black stuff. It's a bit better. I guess that's all right. That can be all right. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter, honestly. All right, let's see if I can pick it up. No, it's just for show. It's just a visual. That's all it is. Just a visual. Cool. And it's anchored. I forgot to unanchor it. I could, in order, because you're basically creating the game. So if you want any of these effects to do anything in your game, you have to write the code for it. So you have to say, you have to write the function code. So whatever that is, when you click on it, it connects to a function. When you activate it, it connects to a function. Anything like that. So one locked? All right, so then we need some audio. I'll probably like water. Oh, seriously? All right, let's pause this again because we're looking for audio. Yeah, you basically with Studio, you have to set everything up. You have to adjust all the properties of all the parts. If you want them to interact with each other, you have to take a script and then you have to write the code in the script to make it function, whatever you want it to do. So it can be, when you get into the bigger games, it can be quite involved. Like I say, when I made my first game there, it took me about 12 months. There were some really long days of just coding, and trying to figure it all out. Just like I'm gushing out. That's a neat sound. I like that. I like that one. Paste. All right, let's try this. No, maybe the other one. Maybe this one was a little bit better. Let's try that. The pouring water. Yeah, so it's one of those things. I look at it for me. It's a hobby because there's so much to it, right? But if you play some of the games, some of those, any of the games, especially some of the more involved ones, where they have lots of stuff, you'll see it's a lot of scripting. A lot of scripting. All right, that's cool. For example, I can give you just a quick example of the car spawner. Right, you have to make a UI, and then you have to make code. Sometimes you have to use there could be three or four or five different things that you need. Right, there's the truck spawn functions. So then you need to write in there where the vehicle is. This is the spawn event here on server event connect. Then you have to say where it is. That's where the vehicle is. That's the name. And then when the vehicle is spawned into the world, you have to tell it what you want it to do, so it renames the vehicle. This is where it spawns the vehicle. You can set the location up. It's like anything. It's like anything. So I enjoyed it. And then, of course, with that's what I enjoy about Stormworks is you can do a little bit of Lua in there. You can make custom screens and whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. It adds an extra element to the game, which is what I like. You know, sometimes my mind wanders, and if like right now I'm currently not working, I'm just waiting to go to work. So it keeps me kind of fresh, right? I'm reading and I'm writing and I'm researching and I'm just kind of doing things, preoccupying myself throughout the day. Cool. Okay, so now we got that. And then the last thing is the paper towel. So what I'm going to do is I'll just start the music up again. That white cloud, that's this. Okay, the box that's in. That's cool. And then what's the hotkey for creating the level? Oh, who knows what the hotkey is? Whatever. There's a hotkey for everything, too. Too small, eh? All right, hold on. Let me resize. Oh yeah, I can't. I see what you're saying. It doesn't actually show any of that, huh? Let's see here. Yeah, it was set to capture any full screen application, but I don't know why it's only. If I set it to auto, and then I have to scale it back down, right? But it's oh yeah, it won't actually capture the specific window. Probably has to do with the type of source that I'm using, because it's just capturing the game. What if I just capture What do we need here? Image, window capture. Here we go. That's what I probably need. And then, all right, add source. We'll just say done, and then we will get rid of this one. We'll delete that one. All right, and then the window capture mode, automatic. Window, which one do we want it to capture? Probably Roblox. There we go, and now it's capturing the whole there we go. That's probably a bit better now. you can actually see what there is to work with. Now just see if it changes windows. Might not change windows here. Streamlabs. This one here, none. Just trying to scale it so we can still see the chat overlay. I'm going to turn the chat overlay off for now, and I'll have to figure out on my own time. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. It's going to have the black on the bottom. There's nothing I can do about it right now. Yeah, Roblox Studio, this is just, it's the program that you use to create the Roblox games on the Roblox platform. There we go. What do we want to be the... rename that. Handle. Yeah, later on I'll try and I'll do some making of an animation. How to animate your character and stuff. I made some animations, and then for some reason it wasn't working. So I don't know what I did. I'll have to go back through it to figure it out, right? Because I have the animation for the cup when you drink a cup. Let's see here. Where is it? Sorry, I'm just tabbed onto the other window here. Start pack. There we go. Copy the cup. Starter pack. Yeah, so yeah, you make an animation track, and then you save it, and you have to load the animation track. Right, I made this animation for the cup, and I tried to make more animations, but I couldn't get them to work. I like I said, I don't know why. I couldn't get them to work. So this is the animation here, and it's actually pretty easy. So you just take your, we'll do it right now. You take your rig, and they actually have a plug-in here where it's animation editor, just like that. Select your rig, got it, and then we just name this, I don't know, oil pour. And then what you do is you just select parts of your avatar, and you can say, okay, well, he's holding on to the oil, and the default way that the default way you hold an object in Roblox is like this. So we start in this position, and then we can say, okay, well, I want to pour the oil. So let's just take the hand, and we are going to do that. And then it's going to do that. Oops. I think that's right. Let's see. And then you can say, okay, and then I want to move the hand back to that position, which is going to be this time frame here, whatever that is. Then you can just press play. There we go. See? It's moving my hand. So when you click, it should pour. It should have the pouring animation. That's just a basic way. Then what you want to do is you need to save it. Yeah, there's all kinds of, like I say, there's all kinds of other stuff in here you can do. So, let's see. So it should save as oil pour. Where are we here? Where are we here? Yeah, like I say, I got to go through it and figure out how it's done. There we go. We'll say save as new oil pour, right? Save it as an animation. And then what we can do is we can load that animation. So now inside oil, we want to go right click and we want to say insert object, insert the animation. And now inside the animation is where we want to insert our our animation track. Oh, they actually have a controller now for it. Yeah, like there's all kinds of stuff. It's so complicated. So let's just copy that one and let's paste that into here. And then what I want to do is, oh no, that's not going to work. What am I saying here? What am I saying? Animation ID. So now we have to find the animation ID. So we need to publish this to Roblox and oil pour, creator me, and then pour oil. Submit it. All right. Then this gives us our animation ID right here. So copy ID, close that. Under the animation, it should, yeah, now I should be able to trying to figure out where to put the this part, the frames, this thing in here. that saves. Oh, right here, server storage, Roblox animation saves. Okay, cool. So it actually makes its own. It puts it right in the server storage. Hey, that's cool. So then this is our. We'll copy that. These are the animation frames, right? And then we want to paste the animation frames into animation. And then now what we need to do is we need a script animation function. Here, I'll just paste that into there, and then this is the code. Script.parent animation tool.animation, and then we have tool.activated connect function. So when you activate the tool, meaning when you hold it in your hand, it's going to activate the animation, and then you click to play. So let's see if all that works. It's complicated, right? Just to make so we have it. No, something's going on here. Oh, script up parent. Let's get rid of this. Doesn't need to play sound. Right, so it's supposed to load the animation, but I'm wondering if it's not because of this. So let's just disable that for a minute, and I'll take that code. Yeah, it's not working. It doesn't want to play the animation. Oh, see, this has got dummy animation rig data. I wonder if... Anyways, something like that. I'll have to go through and should play the animation. Yeah, it can be very, very rewarding. You know, people play your game and they enjoy it. That's what I like. You get that feedback where they say, "Hey, man, I played your game and I had a lot of fun." That's like, cool, thanks. You know, I really appreciate that. Oh, it's supposed to start. Let's do this. It starts all bendy like that. Maybe. Maybe I grabbed the wrong frame here. Yeah, there we go. And then let's copy that. Copy selected. No. And then if we move. Maybe there. Copy selected. Paste keyframes. I just don't know why it starts. Oh yeah, there we go. There's the animation, and then so all you need to do is just click save, and it'll save to animation pour oil. So then I can get rid of those keyframes there. I wonder if I need this. I wonder if they changed it. So instead of using the animation, you actually need the Maybe not, though. Maybe not. Because this one works, right? My other one worked. So insert object. Animation. And to be honest, there aren't very many videos, tutorials about how to make an animation. Just a couple. Oh, you know what? This should be in there. That should be in there. Maybe it's getting confused here. Let's try that. Oh, the asset ID is empty. Whoops. Oh, I gotta find it now. Let's see. So. Import from. There it is. These are all the animations I've tried to make. Chainsaw. All that stuff. Oh. All right, let's see if that works. No. No! Value there. Tool script up here. Yeah. Animation, tool, dot animation, tool, dot activated, connect function. Is that right? Yeah, dot activated, connect function. This might have to be in a local script, maybe. Let me change that here. Let's insert object. Let's try that with a local script. And then let's disable that. No! I can drink. But it won't play my animation. That was the problem I was having last time. I made a video and then it took me an hour to do all that stuff and it just wouldn't, for whatever reason, it won't play the animation. So, I don't know. Like I say, it's complicated probably. This is the one I had. I wonder if there was another property I needed to change in here somewhere. Could have been another property I had to change. We can loop it. All right. Well, anyways, that's basically a. I think what do we got? An hour? Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it here. I think for Roblox, just kind of playing around. The animation doesn't want to work. That's fine. We won't worry about that for today. I will figure out why it doesn't want to work, and then I promise I'll upload a video with how to make an animation, how to get it to work. Maybe this weekend. All right, so we have our 3 accessories. So what I want to do is I want to add these 3 accessories into the game. So let's see, we'll go here. Is it here? Is it here? Where could I? Oh yes. Get the code from here. One of these, right? One of these. There it is. Oh, I already have oil. Oil, let's call it small oil. Small oil. All right. Take this here, rename that. Small oil. Copy that. Drag this. We'll do that. All right, let's test this out. Oh, you can't climb the fence. I made it so you can't climb the fence. Oh, there we go. Oh, did I not make that? I forgot. It's glidable. Hey man, I just want my motor oil, man. Why can't I get my some motor oil? I can't glide false. All right, and then I may as well get a car. Where your starter UI, master UI, enable. I think it's coffee time. Jeepers, eh? This little menu, that's pretty cool. They added that to Studio. spaces. Yeah, there it is. Cool. Nice. Come over here, put some oil in. I like it. Box, do delivery over here. Yeah, it costs you money. It costs you money to get the boxes. But what I've done is I've set it up so that way when you do these deliveries inside most of the areas, there's oh yeah, look at that glitching out. Waist deep snow. There's these delivery kiosks. Gives you a soda. And it gives you money, which makes up for the value of the box. Yeah, right on. Okay, coming along. So now, what do we want? Paper towel. There, so let's take this. Select. Copy that. Let's see. We'll put paper towel in the back, maybe. Find this one here. Paste into. But this is. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. And then small oil. Towel. And now we need to get the paper towel from here. Copy that. That in there. And then the last one is the tree. Let's see. We can get that from this one here. Tree. Copy. Right now, this should say on the prompt, we want it to say tools. What are they called? Sentry, I guess. And this one here is oil. Oil, yeah, whatever. Okay, sure. My brain's not really working today. And then, what was this one here? This was paper towel. Paper towel. I mean, you could just make a game just with the one gas station. I think there is a game actually with the gas station. You restock it, all that stuff, you know. They do not cost any money, no. You can set the assets up so they do cost money. Other people can buy them from the store with Roblox money. Wow. Me personally, I don't worry about any of that kind of stuff. I mean, there are people out there that oh, I didn't add any sounds to this. All right, that's cool. They're a lot better at getting Robux and that kind of stuff than I am. So I just don't worry about it. But yeah, you can make animations. You can make, like for example, the sweater that my character is wearing, the clothes I bought with Roblox money, the sneakers. So if that's your thing, right? What a lot of people do is they'll go into, I think it's Blender is the program, and they'll make a sweater, something like this in Blender, so it's nice and smooth, and then they'll import it back into Roblox Studio. That's something I don't know how to do. Never really dabbled with Blender, the 3D modeling and that kind of stuff. And they'll do that too with buildings, right? Like this building, you see, it's really raw. It's really raw. They'll take it into Blender, they'll smooth it, they'll add stuff to it, and then they'll just import it back here as a model, as a shell. Oh, hello, Edouard. Did you, how did you find my email there? Do you need me to go over that with you? Yeah, you can. You can make money by creating objects for people to use. You can make money with these games. So how do you make money with the games? Well, Roblox will pay you Robux, which is their currency, when people play your game. You get a certain amount for premium users, and you get a certain amount for just regular users. Like I say, I make on average maybe 10 Robux a day, something like that, a little bit less, just from the few people that play my game. So you can imagine the real popular games that have, 1,000 people logged in 24/7. Those guys are making, that's sort of the pinnacle, right? Yeah, I sent the email. I'm pretty sure I sent it. Pretty sure I sent it. Yeah, right there. Right there. All right, it'll be on the stream. You'll see it in a minute. Or is it not? Is it not? Is it just staying on the one screen? All right. No. probably is. Probably. Yeah, okay, there I updated. I just updated the stream there. Yeah, I sent you the email there, so if you have any questions about the pictures and stuff that are in it, let me know. What am I doing? Let's see. I'm gonna go and get a truck. Actually, let's go get a truck here. Whoa. In no man's land. Yeah, and then you can convert your Robux into real cash. The limit was 30,000, but they've lowered it. And I think it's 30,000 Robux to... I'll have to check. I think it's 100 USD. I'm not sure. It's like everything, right? The values are tipped towards Roblox, and they're not tipped towards you. My biggest pet peeve, though, that I have is what a lot of these games do is you'll spend money in the games, and then that's it. They'll take your Robux. You can't get a hold of any of the developers, and you can't get any refunds. Roblox has its own internal refund thing, but I've never ever been able to get a refund. So I've spent, a decent amount of, given my daughter a decent amount of Robux to spend in some games so she could have different customized avatars, and none of it is saved. She's had to continuously spend Robux, so I just use that as a word of caution, right? There's a lot of these games are made by kids, so there's a lot of a lot of iffy stuff that goes on here. Something's up with this door. Yeah, what's going on here? Yeah, it is. It is. So, like I say, you really got to be careful. And that's not to say that, don't spend Robux and don't play it. There's a lot of really good titles, and there's a lot of games out there that do save and will save. You just have to be careful. That's all. And try not to get upset if you spend a bunch of money in a game and it doesn't save and you don't get that value back. Just consider that, right? Now, what you take in as a developer, you only get about 30% of what people actually, the real value of what people spend in the game. The rest, I assume, is probably destroyed, right? So they can maintain the value of the currency. do a delivery here. Right, now this is how I have this game set up. I know... I don't want to put on a uniform. I'll just... I've played a lot of other trucking games like this. And... Oh yeah, this one here. You can turn it on and off. Uh-oh. Alright, anyways. Spawn forklift. Oh, did that get rid of my truck too? Oh, it did. Got rid of my truck. Okay, I'm gonna have to edit that so you can spawn the forklift and you can spawn the truck. Alright, that I didn't realize. And then this doesn't go away. Yeah, so what this does is when you drive into the trailer of the trucks, there's boxes in the trailer and it'll make the boxes appear one at a time. You go in there and I thought that was neat. Never seen that in a game. All right. It's too bad that doesn't have to get rid of all that. Oh my goodness. I noticed this didn't go away when I got rid of the I'll have to figure that out. It's not really set up for this type of character. Yeah, so there's that. You can do those missions. I had a super truck here with the 2 trailers, but I removed it. I removed it because I wanted this to be for console players as well, and I just didn't have a way of... Oh, I got to update this kiosk too. Because only console players can't... Yeah, this truck. Look at this. Look at all this. Holy moly. No wonder nobody's gotten those achievements. They can't spawn in the vehicles. Right, so this truck here, you can do the oil deliveries to the buildings. And then if you back up around here, yeah, I think is that right? We got this pump handle here, which I've updated. I obviously haven't updated this truck. And you come here. Ah, it happened again. There we go. Full. Then you just press backspace, get rid of the handle, and this will do that. Yeah, then there's another pump here. so you can fuel up your truck. But I think I've since changed how this works. So. One in this building? No, next building over. Yeah, so you come around to these things here. Let's pause that for a minute so you can hear the sounds. Yeah, so everything had to be programmed, all the lights on the truck. You can see there's quite a few. This vest got lights on it, and then it has a spotlight on it, which I thought was pretty cool when you're in the yard. You turn that on. And then the little neons there. I was just playing around. I wanted to see. All right, so then these here. This goes out, and it's the same. Oh, I don't have it as, it doesn't anchor you anymore. Okay, that's what I changed. There we go. Neat. So I'll have to make these a little bit bigger. Make the contacts a little bit bigger. Looks like they're off the ground. They can come down a little bit. Whoa. Just like that. Just like that. Lots to take care of still. Alrighty. Well, I think that's going to be it for this midday stream. Thank you so much for watching. And it's the weekend, so I will be back. If you have any questions about Roblox or any, if you're just curious, leave a message down below in the comments, and I will be sure to get back to you if I can help you. I don't know everything, obviously, but I will do my best. Again, thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. You all are very awesome, and I will see you in the next one.